Hey everyone, it's Ala. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's vlog is gonna be super short and sweet. To be honest, I've had quite a few things that have been going on, but it's just I've actually been very stressed and overwhelmed with life, with things to do. Like, so many changes are happening. It's all good stuff, but still I get so overwhelmed. And I don't know about you, but like, my to-do list never ends, and it just gets bigger. And then I'm like moving to the next day and the next day, and then it's like you looking at some things and they're like, oh my gosh, like some of the to-do list items have been on my to-do list for weeks. So it's just been very overwhelming, but I have very exciting news today. I'm doing a free webinar on fruit and nut dessert on this Saturday. Okay, so this Saturday, come spend about an hour with me. It's free. I'm gonna tell you everything, all my secrets, all my knowledge, everything, how to create these beautiful fruit and nut desserts. Now, these are shaped like real fruit and nuts. You might have seen it, probably I started posting it all over. You might have already been on a wait list. By the way, the email is going to come out to you tomorrow. So this is very exciting. This course has been, I think, about 10 months in the making. So it has been a journey, but I'm very excited about it because it's truly magical. It's truly magical. I actually did a live today where I shared, the perks and things about these desserts and how to make them and what's special about them and how they taste and how they look. And it's more of a creative process of creating these desserts versus more like just making a cake. Like, this is what I do. We work a lot with our hands. And so I want to invite you this Saturday to my free webinar. I will explain everything about these desserts, all the good things, all the bad things. I'll explain and show you every single dessert that we're gonna make in the course, in case you were interested and you wanted to push yourself a little bit further, right? It is not for everybody. This is more like intermediate level. However, I tried my best, absolutely my best, to make this super easy and simple for beginners as well. You know me, if you've done any of my courses, you know how simplified and easy I make it with everything, with your tools, with your ingredients, and even the videos. They just kind of like, this is what it is, do this, do that, and you're gonna get this beautiful cake. And it's only because I've learned to make cakes, as my passion. And so I'm not some professional baker that's been in a kitchen from 16-year-old. I started my passion at 25. And so I always cook and present to my students just from a normal human perspective, not like a professional chef that you can never reach. Sometimes I do these trainings myself and I go to these classes, and these professional chefs, I'm just like, way too many tools, way too many ingredients, way too complicated. So everything's super simplified. And yeah, I'm just gonna tell you all about it. So if you're curious, if you've never heard about these desserts, if you like being creative, if you like designing, working with your hands, I use it personally for like meditation type of work, because there's a lot of works with our hands. We're gonna paint, we're gonna dip, different glazes, shaping, cutting. It's really fun. If you've done my mousse cake course before, this will be a bit easier for you because you already have the base knowledge. If you haven't, like I said, again, it's suitable for beginners too. But I'll go over everything in the webinar, and I'll share and explain everything to you, what tools and things that you're gonna need, which, by the way, you're gonna not need a lot. I tried to make it super simple again. And even the spray stuff, we're gonna use paint and brushes just so it's easier. So yeah, I'm very excited. These are definitely finesse desserts. They look incredible. They're like very fancy, next level, nothing you've probably tried before and people haven't seen probably in your area. You can probably get this in France, in Paris, in some bakeries, some French patisserie places. So, being able to make this yourself is like next level. So yeah, so that's the exciting part. I'll leave all the details below this video, how you can join it. Just put your name and email address, and then you will be automatically sent the link to the Zoom webinar on Saturday. We're also going to send the replay, so if by any chance you can't make this time, it's okay, because we'll send you the replay and you can watch it later. However, if you're live, you have an opportunity to talk to me live, you have an opportunity to ask me any questions. And the biggest thing that we have is that we're gonna give you extra bonuses for everybody who comes to the webinar and decides to come on the course. We've got the bonuses, we've got the extra recipes and extra surprises for you. I always do this for everybody who gets on the wait list and is an early bird. I just feel like those who make decisions fast, know what they want. I have a base of loads of students that know my courses. They're ready to sign up even without knowing anything about the course. And that's the trust that I've built over years, okay? Over the last 5-6 years, I've built that trust with my students, which is amazing. But yeah, and we're also gonna be giving you a huge discount, okay? So, very excited. Sign up to the webinar. I will see you there. And if you have any specific questions, get them ready for Saturday. And in the meantime, I hope you enjoy your day. I was planning to do a lot more work today, but I'm feeling tired. I got a bit stressed out, you know, in the last couple of days. A lot of changes are happening in my company, a lot of changes in my personal life, a lot of changes with, like, I started exercising, you know, the gym, and, you know, it has been quite exhausting on my body. I haven't trained in 2 years, and now I've been training 3 times a week, every week. So it's just a lot of changes happening in my life, and plus I'm still doing the book project. So I've just kind of been like, woo, I need to breathe out, I need to chill, I need to just meditate and do less. So my advice to you, apart from baking cakes, is just do less, because it's gonna stress you out less. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next week, and if not, I'll see you at the webinar this Saturday. Bye.